everybody and welcome to this week's Tune In Tuesday. This week we're down on Harlyn Beach and we're doing a beach clean in aid of Keep Britain Tidy's Big Give campaign. This campaign is trying to prevent the millions of small mammal deaths each year by litter. So we're down in Cornwall trying to do our bit and hopefully we'll get some donations for the campaign. So let's go meet our volunteers. Hi everyone, welcome to today's beach clean. As some of you know, my name's Emily, and as well as doing Beach Guardian, I also am a Litter Heroes ambassador for Keep Britain Tidy. Now, Keep Britain Tidy for the last week have been running a campaign called The Big Give, and that's to help prevent millions of deaths for small mammals caused by litter every year. So what they've been doing is raising money, and any donation above £5 will be matched by Greggs. So it's basically make one donation and get one free. So today we're going to be doing a usual beach clean to help raise awareness for this campaign, and also if you'd like to make a donation, please do, and yeah, it will be matched if it's above a £5. Some of you were there the other day when we did our guided walk from the Cornish Arms down to this beach, Harlyn Beach. And on the walk we actually collected more litter walking down to the beach than we actually did on the beach. So we do have a big litter problem, and like I say, this is causing millions of deaths for small mammals every year. So as well as doing the normal beach clean that we do for an hour, we're also going to have a look around the car park and the road alongside here to see if we can find any litter, which does have devastating effects on a lot of different animals. So thank you again all for coming, and let's go see what we can find. Britain Tidy! The Big Give! Woo! So we've just got back from the beach clean, and a massive thank you is due to all of our wonderful volunteers that came down and supported Keep Britain Tidy's Christmas Big Give. As well as doing the beach clean, we raised £30 today, which I've just gone on and donated, and I've just seen that the fundraising target was met, and they have raised over £25,000 for the Big Give. So thank you also to everybody else that donated as part of this campaign. So unfortunately the usual culprits were there again. Well, there was quite a lot of litter on and around the beach as well. So we had Walker's crisp packets, we had Coca-Cola, loads of beers and cider cans, and a lot of them still had that plastic ring thing going around it, which we all know is really, really dangerous, especially for small mammals that can climb in and get stuck in that. There was the Walker's crisp packet that had looked like that it had been nibbled on. So really great that we've now removed all of that stuff. We'll take it to our lab and we will use it for arts and crafts projects, especially this weekend with our Christmas sustainability event. So if you want to come along to that, I'll put the event in the description for this video. As this morning's campaign was in aid of the Christmas Big Give, I'm stood next to our new real Christmas tree that's potted. And what we plan to do with this is keep it for as long as we possibly can in our garden, potted, and then bringing it in for Christmas. So it's great to not have an artificial tree and try and be as green and eco-friendly as we can for Christmas. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and again thank you everybody that has donated as part of the Christmas Big Give campaign with Keep Britain Tidy. Thanks for watching, and see you next week for next week's Tune In Tuesday.